wind down the series on the 10 disciplines of mastering leadership, there is one that really sticks out to me. Why is that? Because as healthcare leaders, we are on the go all the time, shifting from meeting to meeting, changing hats frequently between owner, clinician, manager, HR specialist, and more. We almost put ourselves on autopilot as we navigate the day. As a result, we leave no time to engage or connect with others on our team. And when we do, we are likely distracted and possibly thinking about other things. I have experienced this a lot in the past, and I'm sure that you all have as well. So, as a result of that conversation you had while being distracted or rushed, do you find your inner voice saying things like, "Why, I wish he would stop talking," or "I know what they're going to say next," or even, "I've heard all this before," leaving your people to feel unheard and or even frustrated? Research shows a direct correlation between leadership presence, the 9th core discipline in leadership mastery, and the performance in your people. Makes sense, doesn't it? To truly engage others and create meaningful conversations and connections, we need to silence our inner voices that I just described and be fully present. So how do we do this when we are on a gerbil wheel and wearing different hats? I have 2 tips to share with you that have worked for me and others. Be intentional about creating touch points every day. Check in with your people. Don't just go through the motions. Be prepared to stop, listen, and acknowledge what they are sharing with you. The second tip, do less and be more. What does this mean? An employee comes to you with a challenge. Sometimes it needs a simple solution. You want to jump right to it and solve it. But often the problem just needs to be heard. Many situations simply need an ear, not action from you. Oftentimes, problems don't need solutions, they need presence and time. As leaders, having the ability to be fully present and listen with an open mind is often the most powerful way to solve issues. Presence in itself can resolve the issue. This kind of presence not only solves the problem, but it also creates greater connection and engagement, something you really want. Learn to pause, wait, and listen. I think you'll be amazed at the results. I certainly have been.